Let's take a look at some significant digit practice problems that we have here. We're going to use a variety of the rules that we have learned along the way. So let's start with this first number here, 12,363. So we look at our first rule and it says that any non-zero digit is significant. So when we look here, all of these are significant. So we have 5 significant digits, and I'll just put sig, dig, so significant digits, and all of them are. So we say 1, 2, 3, 6, and 3. Okay, let's take a look at B. Rule 1 says that all non-zero digits are significant. Rule 2 says that zeros in between two non-zero digits are significant. And then Rule 4 says that we do not count zeros that come to the left of our first non-zero digit. So here we have 4 significant digits, and we have the digits of 1, 2, 0, and 3. In C, we have a 1, a 5, a 7, and a 4. Rule 1 says all of those are significant digits. And then we have these 2 zeros between two non-zero digits, so they are also significant. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 significant digits. And they are 1, 5, 7, 0, 0, and 4. Alright, D says that we have 1 and 2, which are non-zero digits. Then we have these 2 zeros in between these two non-zero digits, so that those are significant. And then we have these 2 trailing zeros. Since we have those trailing zeros, they are also significant. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 significant digits. And they are 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0. And we want to state them every single time we have that number. Alright, this one we notice that there's no decimal place here. That's important. And so when we look here, we have 1 significant digit, and it is 1. So we have 1 significant digit. Alright, on F, we have 7 and we have 3 that are non-zero numbers, and then we have these in-between zeros that are significant. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 significant digits. Alright, so we have 6 significant digits. They are 7, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3. Again, stating all of them is important. On G, we have 5, 4, and 3. Those are all significant digits because they're non-zero. And then we have these 2 zeros that are in between two non-zero digits. So all of these are significant. So we have 5 significant digits. And they are 5, 4, 0, 0, and 3. And on this last one here, we have this 2 is a non-zero, and then we have these 3 trailing zeros of the decimal. And then our other rule says that these 2 zeros are not significant because they come to the left of our first non-zero. So we have 4 significant digits. And they are 2, 0, 0, 0. Alright, and then to finish off, I want to look at rounding these numbers to the stated number of significant digits, and then I want to state what those significant digits are. So we're going to round 198,000 to 2 significant digits. So we have 1, and then 9 is a significant digit. So we look here, and we look at the 8. 8 is bigger than 5, so this 9 becomes a 10, which then carries that, so you have 200,000. And since we rounded it to two significant digits, our significant digits are 2 and 0. And so the number of significant digits is 2 significant digits. And the amount is dependent upon what you rounded it to. All right, B says that we're rounding to 3 significant digits. So we go a 7, and a 3. And then since we look here, and that's 0, since it's decimals, we're going to drop all that off. So we are just left with 77.3. And our significant digits are 7, 7, and 3. And we have 3 significant digits. All right, we're going to round 5,495 and 300ths to 2 significant digits. So 5 is our first one, 4 is our second. So we look at the 9, our 4 becomes a 5, and then we're going to replace those two because they're placeholders. So if we just got rid of them, then it would say 55, and that's false. It has to be 5,500, but then we're not going to put the decimal or these decimal places on there because we're only accurate to two significant digits. So we have 5 and 5, and we have 2 significant digits. Our last example here is we're going to round to 2 significant digits, and we have to remember our rules that this 0 and this 0 are not significant because they're to the left of our first non-zero digit. So really our first digit is 2, and then we come to the 3. We look to the 5. It is 5 or greater, so it becomes a 4, a 2, and now we have to put in these zeros back in again for keeping the holding the place that this 2 and this 4 are in, so that it becomes 24 thousandths. And so our significant digits are 2 and 4, and we have 2 significant digits. Hopefully these examples helped you understand how we use our rules for determining significant digits, and thank you for watching.